Okay, so welcome back to this video. Today, you already know from the title, I'm gonna be making a nice mob grinder. That's like the main thing of the video. And also I'm getting full diamond, and I'm gonna try to get sugar cane and the entire farm full of cows. And also I kinda want a lot of wheat. Okay, let's get to it. Let's snap until when we're in the game. Watch this magic. We're in it. See? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Baby. Let's get all of this out and sort this chest a little bit. Let's get more room in that chest. And let's put all the dirt in here. Okay. Let's put that in there. Let's go nappy bye. We go nappy bye. And it's nappy bye done. So let's. Ooh, there's wandering trader. Most annoying thing in the world is here. Hi. Nice to meet you. Nice. Move. Nice to meet you. What are you trading? I know you're not gonna be selling anything good, but still, nice to know. Melon seeds. I wish I had an emerald. You know what? I'm gonna let him live. I'm just not gonna let his llamas live. Yeah. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. And I just need a moment on my chair. Okay, but yeah, we're good. And oh, I fixed up the pixing problem. I'm pretty sure it's fixed up for you guys. And I think I will build the mob grinder right here. Let's just clear some space out right here. I'll be back when I've cleared the space out. Okay, so I'm gonna make a cobblestone mine so I can get a bunch of cobblestone to build it, because I'm gonna need a full inventory, and I'm gonna need a lot of torches to light up the spot that it's gonna be covering over. Also I'm gonna need some iron. I'm gonna make the cobblestone mine right about here. Go 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll start it. Be back when I have a full inventory of cobblestone and I'm all set. Okay, I'm just gonna use all the types of stones that I get, and I think I still have a lot of stuff in there, and I already have a good amount. That took me quite a long time to do. I'll come. Here is a time up. finally, you know, finally finished the thing. That probably was like a minute or two for you guys. Maybe even like 20 seconds. But that was 30 minutes. Ouch. It's time to get some food out for myself. I'm gonna get this raw beef. Everybody likes beef, right? I like beefy, that's beef. Beef! You know? Let's put that in there. And then I'm gonna go kill that skeleton so I'm able to go to sleep, and then I'm gonna go farm my wheat, place down the seeds, and then feed my cows, breed them up, and it's gonna be amazing. Let's do that. Now let's go over here and smack this boy. Boy, 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 boy. Nope. Boy, boy. Now, I'm going to use this for wheat to bring up those two. And, now they have a baby. And I grab these. Let's put, oh, shoot. Okay, there we go. And that's good. Now let's place down this. And I think I'm gonna end off the video here. No, I'm not gonna end off the video here. Probably not that much time in this. And also, my goal is to get diamond armor in this. So, let's go get some diamond armor. I'm gonna make a montage of me mining diamonds. That's actually gonna take a very long time. And I'm gonna use iron pickaxes because my diamond is almost gone. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so I've found a whatever it's called, a spider spawner, normal spider spawner, not a poisonous spider spawner, not a cave spawner. And let's check what's in the chests. I got a music disc, cat, golden apple. Yeah, that's good. I think there may be diamonds around here. Come here, boy. No. Okay, yeah, that's lava's gone. And is there any diamonds around here? This is a large cave. It's bigger than normal. Bam. Anything over here? No. Let's go this way. Oh, spider. Okay. Is there a cave that goes that way? No. And I think that's it. Oh, and this mob spawner, apparently I'm going to have 2 XP grinders. This one's going to give me like spider drops. That one's going to give me like bone meal and everything. This one's going to be like my main XP grinder. I'm going to use that for a little bit of XP, and also to get like bones and stuff. Okay, I'm going to break this. Let's put the chest neatly down. Place this all in it. I'm gonna put some of my stuff in it too. Just take that. taking my copper, my golden apples, my lapis, and my coal, bones, string, and I think that's good. Okay. Back to the ground for diamonds. Okay, so I guess what I have. I have 23 diamonds. And I know that's not enough, but look at that. And I still have one extra. Now it's time to make myself full diamond. Diamond boots. Bam! Diamond helmet. Bam! And ready? Diamond chest plate. Bam! And the final one. The diamond leggings. And ready? 3, 2, 1. I am not in my final form, but not in my final form. I'm not in my final form yet. But I am close. Yes. And look at the fox. Fox. Ooh. Okay, I guess I'm gonna grab some wheat, feed the cows, and I guess I'll do my outro after that. Oh wait, right here, you should hit that the like button and turn it blue. It's really gonna help out the channel. If you subscribe and you like this type of content, me making things, getting things, like going along with the series, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more, if you want to get notified when more of this comes out. Just thank you for watching the video. It really helps out. And let's get back to the video. Okay, let's go over here. Bam, bam, bam. And I'm gonna need one more. And where is my feet? Bam. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go in here. Okay, so thanks for watching. This has really helped out. If you want to see me later, I'm gonna be doing streams on Twitch now. If that helps out, I'm probably gonna put my Twitch, whatever it's called, my Twitch link in the description of the videos now. And this just really helps. Comment down below if you have any questions or anything. This is really helping out. Bye. Thank you for watching. And we gone.